Sandsberg. Hi guys, so we are here in IKEA Pasay and we're gonna tour the place and kasama ko ulit yung sister. So first of all, we're here. Nasa loob na kami sa may Swedish Bistro. I still don't know what to expect here. Talagang naninibago ko laki ng lugar. And nakikita ko lang naman tong IKEA sa mga vlogs ni PewDiePie. Here we have the Swedish food market. Heida. Now Swedish cafe. So we are now going at the Swedish restaurant. Oh, there, Swedish restaurant. Yes. Smaland. Swedish meatballs. Now guys, nakapila pa kami dito sa serving line. Kanilang Swedish restaurants. First thing na na-notice ko is may kanya-kanya silang yung tray, ikaw magdadala, ikaw maglalagay ng food, ganyan. And then yung pati drinks nila dito, ikaw mismo yung maglalagay. Ayan, cold drinks refillable, hot drinks refillable, ayan. Tapos meron din silang family station kung saan yan, iinitin mo yung food, bottle, cutlery, glasses, and mug. So, merong kids na spoon and fork, kids cup, chair tray. Ikaw mismo yung kukuha. Self-service na self-service siya. Tapos, meron din silang place kung saan mo iiwan yung tray. Ginagamit nila yung mga waste for composting and biogas. So, ayan, pati condiments, ikaw kukuha, drinking water, ganyan. And dito mo iiwanan yung tray mo. Yung mga used tray, dyan mo ilalagay. So, currently, right now, guys, naghahanap kami ng table para makaupo rin. And yun na nga, nakahanap na kami ng table na uupuan namin. So, ma'am, nakapila pa doon. So, wait na lang o order. Ikot ako ng ikot. Fun fact guys, favorite cyclist ko si Tadej Pogacar. I just had to say it out there. So now, pinupush niya yung cart papunta sa table namin. We're done ordering. Hey, spaghetti and meatballs. So nilagay na namin yung food, tapos namin, ayan. Nabalik na rin yung tray and yung cart. So Aizel, ano masabi mo sa food sa IKEA?
It's good, especially the meatballs. Specifically plant balls. Masarap siya. And I like the salmon.
Ano?
I like the salmon. Pati yung almond cake nila. The highlight.
Totoo, masarap nga yung almond cake nila. Ano may order mo?
Lasagna. I ordered lasagna. Pero hindi siya yung top tier, the best. But I still like it. It has real tomatoes in it.
So yung sa akin naman, spaghetti rin. Ayun, buo, ang laki ng meatballs nila. And at the same time, ano siya, like hindi siya yung hangin. Alam mo yun guys, hindi hangin yung laman. Yung spaghetti, fruity talaga siya kasi ang lalaking mga tomatoes yung nandun. Enjoy eating. So, we're gonna ikot-ikot here sa IKEA pa guys. See you around. Now we're going to the showroom guys and we're going to show you around. Miskyol, tomat, slira, carlegra.
sana pala nag-makeup na lang ako.
Bakit di ka kasi nag-makeup?
Kasi nga, this is unexpected. Kasi I thought na didiretso lang tayo from the dentist. Tapos biglang nagaya si mommy na mag-IKEA. So, like, look at my face. It's so...
Yeah. Wala pang ligo yan. Hindi pa naliligo yan. And so guys, we're here naman sa my Swedish food market. Ayan, Swedish food market.
Willy.
So dito sa IKEA guys, yun nga 'di ba ang laki niya, and at the same time, hindi siya yung katulad sa other malls na pagkatapos mo dito makuha yung gusto mong bilhin, pwede ka na mag-check out dito. Hindi, I mean you have to go through na parang maze-like na kind of shopping. So since need mong daanan yung mga products nila, kung may nakita kang gusto mo, ma-entice kang kunin, yan. So magandang business strat siya na nagdadaanan mo talaga lahat ng products nila. Yung IKEA, nakikita ko lang siya sa movies. Yan, sa panonood ko kay PewDiePie, dahil siya ay Swedish din. My first time being here sa IKEA Philippines dito sa Pasay City. So that's it guys, that will be our vlog for today here at IKEA. Na-surprise lang din kami na dito kami ngayon kasi gusto lang talaga na namin makita, and at the same time, ayun, naglibot-libot kami. And so that's it guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.